Hi, welcome or welcome back to our channel, and this is Bonnie here. Today we are having, not clear, so we are having Blackwing limited edition, Blackwing 2 with us for the video. So we are going to solve the inequalities. We always have the rule, do the same thing on the both sides. The both sides. Alright, today we're going to add another rule is to help us work things better. It is to remember when we multiply or divide a negative number. Let's do the English there. The direction of the sign will flip. Alright, the direction of the sign will flip. So there will come, we're going to try a bit of the flipping sign here. So we have 18 minus x bigger than 5. So first of all, we remove the 18 first. So we minus 18 on both sides. And so this is gone and left over x, negative x. Make sure you get negative, stay with that. And then that will be 5 minus 18. So leaving the negative x on one side, we didn't do anything with it, but we would work on those. So it has negative 13. And now to remove the negative 1, actually the negative x is meaning negative 1 times x. We have a negative 1 to remove. So to do that, we will divide both sides by negative 1. And this will be gone. This will be x negative 13 divided by negative 13 becomes 13. And for rule number 2 here, we have to flip the sign. And this will be our answer. The rationale behind the negative sign is like the bigger and smaller, it go flip to the other side. So we have, when we have 3 and 4, we know that 4 is bigger than 3. Is that right? So when we now multiply both sides by negative 1, multiply by negative 2 to make it easier. So multiply both sides by negative 2, we will now have negative 6 and negative 8. Since the bigger the negative number, like the digit, the more we negative, is smaller. So the sign will flip. And that is the reason why behind it. So let's put this into work and with our two-step equation. So let's have a two-step. So we have 2 minus x over 4 bigger or equals to negative 3. If you want, you can pause right now, try that out, and then continue with the video, and let's see how we do it. So then, first of all, I want to remove the 2, so I have plus 2. It's plus 2, so minus 2 and minus 2 on the both sides. Very careful, Bon. So now this is gone. We left over x 4, and then we have negative 5. So what we have here is like x could be divided by negative, depends on how you see it. What I see is negative x times negative 1 over 4. It's a multiplication there. So what we need to do is divide it by negative 4 or multiply by negative 4. No, let me rewrite it that way. So actually this bit is x over negative 4. If I see it that way, I put a negative sign behind. So to remove the negative 4, we have to times negative 4 there. So we are going to multiply both sides by negative 4. Right? So we are multiplying that. And because the sign, if we are multiplying the negative, the direction have to be changed. So this 4 and 4 is gone. And negative times the negative become positive. We have positive x here. And negative, negative become positive. I'm taking away something you don't like, so you're happy. So it's positive. And then we have 20 there. Alright, hope this video clear out. Sorry, let's clean the video. Okay, so hope the video helped a bit, and in the next one we'll try something more exciting. We'll say, for example, x on the both sides. See you in the next one.